Gravy.
What?
What did you do? I will open this one first.
All right.
What would be here? This one is a wet brush. Wish I could spin the best one of it and say no. A princess.
No, can you say that's Moana?
Moana.
Can you do this? Moana.
Moana.
Show it to the camera and go, Moana.
Moana.
I got it.
I got it.
It's mine. No.
Spider-Man, Spider-Man. Is there a cat will be in here?
I don't know.
How to scream. What is this?
That's a Jessie. It's a cowgirl.
That's a cowgirl.
Mm-hmm.
So stretchy. Okay. Let's Spider-Man again. Spider-Man. This one's rubbish.
Mm-hmm.
This one's rubbish. And these ones are not rubbish. This one's rubbish. This is a ghost.
A ghost? What do ghosts do?
Ooh.
All right.
That's a silly eye.
What is it?
Yeah. Ah! That's a silly eye.
Is that a scary eye?
Yeah, that's a scary eye. Rubbish. Right here. What's gonna be? Ah! What the? I ripped it.
You did. That's another Jessie. Are you excited to get another Jessie?
Two Jessies.
Mm-hmm. What are these next ones gonna be? Any green? More green ones? Another Jessie. Wow.
Hey, get back here, poor Jessie.
What is it? Oh, it's a Grogu.
That's a burger.
Yeah, I think that's how you say it. You're getting quite a collection there.
They're all mine.
Yeah, they are. Oh,
It's on my I almost ripped it.
no, not you almost. You did rip it. Oh, no.
Something will be in here. The black watermelon. That's what noticed. Yes.
It's a tarantula. Can you say tarantula?
No, Spider-Man.
No, that one's Spider-Man.
Look, some of these.
No, it's not the same. Not quite.
Look. This is red, this is red, and this is black. 'Cause look, they're all the same.
Not quite. You give me attitude.
I'm not.
Hey, I'm not. Oh, what's this one going to be? Real big surprise. Is it going to be gold?
Blue. It's not gold.
No, it's not.
I eat cheese. There's a cow in cheese.
Maybe.
Another Jessie.
Another Jessie. How many Jessies now? 4?
No. No.
Yes.
All of them. All the Jessies.
Last one.
Last one, and you will get some more for me.
When we go shopping.
No, some more of these.
Yeah, when we go shopping, I'll get you some more. A Grogu!
Where's the ice Grogu?
In your hand.
No, this man.
Oh, they're in a safe place. They're sleeping because it's night time.
Get some more, Mom.
When we go shopping, I can get some more.
Please.
Here, there's that one I forgot. Oh, sorry. Is that one going to be gold?
Yeah. It's broccoli.
What is it? Ooh.
She's superhero.
Is a superhero a blue one? Show Mummy. Oh my goodness.